Hi everyone, this is Mr Neel Raithatha, also known as the Wax Whisperer. Thank you for tuning into my latest video. Apologies that I haven't uploaded a procedure. I think it's about a week ago, my last one. I've just been so busy over the last week and a half. I had a radio interview, I think this time last week. Midweek I was invited to be a guest speaker to give a brief talk on the link between hearing loss, diabetes and hearing loss. And then we held a clear wax endoscopic ear care training course yesterday. So that's the reason I've had a few messages asking if I'm well. I am well, thank you for asking. It's just that I've just been really busy, so my apologies. So we have a client here in both ears. Both ears are fully occluded. The wax is quite dry and crumbly. This is the patient's left ear we started off with. You can see that I've already removed the wax from the ear canal, and there's some medial wax against the eardrum that has also been lodged. The patient is guilty as charged. They advised me that they were using a cotton bud, which they know moving forwards not to do, because a cotton bud or Q-tip, as they're known in America, I believe, they just push wax further in the ear. You're impacting it. And I've got a couple of, I've just not had time, guys, but I've got a couple of videos of me removing some lodged cotton buds that's been bruised and impacted against the eardrum. I will try and get some time to upload that in the next couple of weeks. So we can see, so the occlusion's been removed. We can see the tympanic membrane. You can see that the base of the ear canal actually has got a few contours there. There's a few little trenches, little divots. That could possibly contribute towards the patient's buildup of earwax. So the skin that lines the ear canal and the outer layer of the eardrum's made up of 3 layers. It's an epithelial layer of skin. And as that skin dies and sheds, it naturally migrates sideways out of the ear. As it does, it takes with it any wax that's sitting on top of the dead skin. So when you've got trenches, little divots like that, at the base of the ear canal, sometimes it can stop this dead skin from migrating, and it can the skin gets trapped in that region. And it can sometimes cause wax impaction. I don't think these craters currently are big enough. I've again got another video that I'll try and upload where patient's got a huge erosion of the ear canal, and that's leading to significant buildup of keratin, dead skin. So just using a fine end, you can just see the view that we get with the eye clear scope, endoscope. Just removed a bit of dry skin off the tympanic membrane. Patient's ear is completely clear. So we just moved to the right side now. Again, the wax is quite dry and crumbly. So we're near the entrance. A bit of keratin here that's adhered to the plug of wax on the base of the ear canal. So I'm just using the Zollner suction probe just to kind of almost peel this keratin off the canal wall to loosen this plug of wax and keratin. So we're just at the base of the ear canal here. I've just gone to the roof, just gone posteriorly and inferiorly to the base, and just a bit more adhered this, and you can see this plug of wax actually has detached itself from the keratin. So there's a few layers of keratin actually. You can see there's still a layer of keratin there, but there's one still adhered to the ear canal. So these layers of keratin, they shed in layers, so that we call that stratified layers of skin. So stratified layers of skin means layers of like pancake almost, and you get one layer of skin, and underneath that you get another layer of skin, and you can see this plug of wax coated with keratin removed. Still quite a lot in there though. So I've just gone back in, so we're just near the entrance. You can tell that because of the hairs, the ciliars. Quite often people ask why don't we remove the hairs. The only time I've felt it necessary to remove the hairs if it's completely occluding the view, so it's almost like a forest. Otherwise, these hairs have got a reason. They help filtrate the air that's entering the ear, so it helps to trap any dust, pollen, any foreign particles that may enter. So that's the patient's right ear. That's the tympanic membrane, squeaky clean, very healthy. Just a bit, as I said, a bit of keratin here. Just going to leave that really. It's not going to cause any problems. It's on its way out, shedding. So that's all the debris, all the earwax and keratin. You can see some of the wax is a lot darker in colour, so that's the oxidised wax. Generally, that's the wax that's deeper, more medial in the ear. It's been there for a while. I decided to weigh it as well, so it's just come in under 0.5 gram, so 439 milligrams. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Do stay tuned. I've got loads of more videos. I put a post up on Facebook the other day that the memory on my iPod, so the iPod is what makes up my eye clear scope kit. and my memory's almost gone. So it just shows you how many videos I've got. So I will be uploading some more videos over the course of the next few weeks. So take care, guys.